blaze across the ground and drift around obstacles at lightning speeds. Show off spectacular donuts and perform amazing wheelies. Now fly to the sky! Combine your skills to drive, fly, and barrel roll in the air. This 2-in-1 RC has flight assist technology for easy takeoffs, height lock, and landings. Conquer the ground and sky with the all-new Flight Rider from Air Hogs.
Conquer the ground and sky with Flight Rider from Air Hogs. Inside the box are your Flight Rider essentials. To connect the controller, turn on the vehicle and place it on a flat surface. When the lights flash, it's ready to be paired. Now, turn on the controller. Once it's paired, the headlights will turn solid. To charge your Flight Rider, turn it off using the power switch on the back and plug the micro USB into a wall adapter or computer. Plug the other end into the charge port on the back of the rider. When Flight Rider is charging, the USB LED will blink. When it's fully charged, the LED will be solid. Before you start playing, you need to install the batteries. Press down on the release button to slide the battery panel door down. Install 2 AAA batteries into the controller and slide the panel back in place. To drive on the ground, push the right directional stick forward and steer to the left or right. But remember, Flight Rider can't drive in reverse on the ground. To fly through the sky, push up on the throttle lever or push the auto launch button located here. There are 2 separate flight modes, beginner and advanced. Beginner mode has slower acceleration and turning for increased control. The left control stick controls the altitude. Push up to go higher or pull down to go lower. The right control stick controls the steering. Push up to go forward, down for reverse, left to steer left, and right to steer right. But in advanced mode, Flight Rider's acceleration and turning are increased for more skilled and aggressive driving. Switch the flight mode to 2 for advanced mode. The altitude or left control stick is still the same, but now includes rotating to the left or right. The right directional stick still controls moving forward or backwards, but now includes strafing to the left or right. For awesome stunts in drive mode, hold the stunt button and Flight Rider will pull off a wheelie for up to 2 seconds. Release the button to drive normally. To perform a cool stunt in flight mode, fly the vehicle approximately 2 meters above the ground. Hold the stunt button and steer in any direction with the right control stick. Flight Rider will show off some acrobatic stunts. If Flight Rider is drifting to one side, press the opposite trimming button on the controller to correct it. For example, if it's drifting to the left, push the right button. Be careful not to get hair or clothing stuck in the propellers. If this happens, use the included tool to remove any tangles. If a propeller breaks, use a replacement provided in the packaging. Make sure the propeller is correct by matching it with the symbols on the back. Flashing lights mean your Flight Rider is running low on batteries. If this happens, Flight Rider won't be able to perform any tricks. So always make sure the batteries are fully charged for best performance. When not in use, turn off the controller by holding the power button to save batteries.
Troubadour Ratings Channel will thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, give it a like. If you know someone who needs to see it, share it. Leave a comment below with your thoughts.